Hey, what up you guys? We're here today, another day at the shop. One good thing about working at a performance shop is you never know what's coming in the shop. It could be either a sleeper or just, you know, a daily driven crazy luxury car. How you like it, man? Yeah?
Oh yeah.
What do you think about it, man? What do you think about these wheels, bro?
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, yeah.
What made you want to go with this kind of style?
My friend told me to do it. My friend over here told me to do it. I call it
This guy right here?
yeah.
This guy right here. All right, DJ. So what made you
Actually,
decide?
this was a joint effort. It was me, Louis, and Mr. Puerto Rico here. Actually, we did it all together. We tried to come up with something unique, and hopefully we accomplished it.
You tried to make me a killer!
Hey fam, what you doing?
What?
Nah, you don't want this.
What?
You don't want these problems. You don't want these problems.
You're no match for me.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, dead. Dead.